Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make buns using instant yeast. First, gather your ingredients. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. Then, pour in the warm water and oil. Once combined, mix everything until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 8 minutes. The dough should become smooth and elastic. Place the kneaded dough into a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Transfer it to a clean surface and divide it into 12 equal portions. Roll each portion into a smooth, tight ball to form your buns. Arrange the shaped buns on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between them. Cover them loosely and let them proof for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the buns for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are golden brown on top and sound hollow when tapped on the bottom. Let them cool on a wire rack before serving. These soft, fluffy buns are perfect for sandwiches or as a side. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.